Konshens, dancehall's global star. Garfield Spence, better known by his stage name Konshens, is a Jamaican dancehall artist who has taken the genre to an international level. Born on January 11, 1985, in Kingston, Jamaica, Konshens has become one of dancehall's most versatile and influential figures. His blend of infectious melodies, party anthems, and socially conscious lyrics has earned him recognition both at home and abroad, making him a global ambassador for the dancehall genre. Early life and musical beginnings. Growing up in the heart of Kingston, Konshens was immersed in Jamaican music from an early age. His musical journey began alongside his older brother Delus, with whom he formed the duo Sojah. The duo gained regional recognition with tracks like Pon Di Corner, which became a massive hit, especially in Japan. This success in an international market sparked Konshens' solo career, and he soon became a force in the dancehall scene. Following his brother's death in 2016, Konshens spoke openly about the personal struggles he faced, including his own battles with mental health. He has since used his platform to raise awareness of mental health issues, especially in the Jamaican context, where such conversations are often stigmatized. Breakthrough and rise to fame. Konshens broke out as a solo artist in the early 2010s with songs like Winner 2010, a motivational anthem that highlighted his lyrical skills and broad appeal. However, it was his 2012 hit Gal A Bubble that truly cemented his place in dancehall. The track became a club staple, with its infectious rhythm and party atmosphere spreading across Jamaica and into international markets. His ability to create hits that resonate across borders quickly became evident. Songs like Bruck Off Your Back 2016 and Turn Me On 2017 further propelled him into global stardom. Bruck Off Your Back, in particular, gained massive popularity internationally, especially with a remix featuring American R&B star Chris Brown. The song's catchy hook and energetic beat made it a favorite in nightclubs worldwide, affirming Konshens as one of dancehall's top exports. Versatility and collaborations. One of Konshens' strongest assets is his versatility. While he is best known for his upbeat dancehall tracks, he has also shown a more reflective side with songs like Realest Song and Do Some, where he tackles personal growth, challenges, and life lessons. His lyrical depth and ability to blend different moods into his music have set him apart from many of his peers. Additionally, Konshens has collaborated with a variety of international artists, blending dancehall with genres like hip-hop, reggaeton, and EDM. He has worked with major acts such as Major Lazer, Sean Paul, Rick Ross, Nipsey Hussle, and Cardi B. His ability to fuse dancehall rhythms with other musical styles has helped elevate the genre on a global stage. Current career and personal life. In 2018, Konshens released his second album, It Feel Good, which featured collaborations with artists like Shaggy and Terrace Riley. The album continued to showcase his range, mixing high-energy tracks with more introspective cuts. In 2021, he released Red Rain, reaffirming his position as one of dancehall's top-tier artists with tracks like Pay For It featuring Spice. Konshens is also a family man. He often shares moments from his personal life on social media, showing a balance between his successful career and his role as a father and husband. Net worth and legacy. As of 2024, Konshens' estimated net worth is around $2 million. His wealth comes from a combination of music sales, touring, and brand endorsements. Beyond his financial success, Konshens' true legacy lies in his impact on the global dancehall scene. He remains a key figure in bringing Jamaican culture to international audiences, constantly pushing boundaries and inspiring a new generation of dancehall artists.